Hello and welcome to LTO Suite. Today I'm going to talk to you about digital tags. To get started, we're going to go over it on the left-hand side, go into System, and then we've got an option for digital tags once the module is added to your account. Once we're here, I'm going to go ahead and search for two of my tags that I have handy. So two of my tags that I have right next to me, they have little barcodes on the bottom right-hand side. So I've copied both of the barcodes onto here and I found both my tags. Now, before we talk about the menu up here on the top, we have some menus that we can do inside each of these line items. So if we go to the context menu, we have an option to update the display. All this does is just update with whatever report that we added in there. We can go to each one of these digital tags and update them individually. We have also this option to clear the item association, so it'll clear out whatever model number that we have on the tag itself. If you want to do a little bit more, we can go into the modify mode. So we're modifying this specific tag itself. Gives you all of the data, what kind of resolution it is, what kind of size it is. This is a 4-inch tag. You can see it's 4.2 inches up there in the screen size. Therefore, we have the dedicated report for it. So the report that we have in there is called digital tag 4-inch, and then it'll be your business name. Now, for this SKU, I've already assigned one to it, but we can always replace it with whatever we want to put there. With whatever changes that you make in this page, be sure to hit the update button. Now, it's very important to know that whatever tags that we have searched in here is going to be what gets affected whenever I do any of these options up here. So for example, I can go up there. I have these two tags selected. I can hit refresh selected tag displays. This will ask you, are you sure you want to do that? And we'll just hit the yes button. The message will say that the tags are updating in the background. So if you notice the tags in front of you, they'll start to flicker and change and update with whatever that we updated to. With these same two tags selected, I can go up there to the top to assign SKU to the tags. Once you click that, this window appears, and we just need to find the digital tag setting. So it's this one that I'm using. If I go to the context menu, I can update the tags. This window will appear. Now what we can do is replace these. I can remove these tags, and I can start to add other items in here. Now, for example, let's say I want to add this item. It'll get added below, and then you'll notice a column for the actual digital tag. So this digital tag is going to be the barcode that's on the bottom right of the tag itself. So for this example, I'm going to use the last four of it, B728. And this will find the tag, and we just select that. Now I also want to do my second tag, so I'm going to find another model number that I want to update to. All we're going to do is add that back. There's an option here that says auto assign. So if you have a lot of different tags and you don't care which one the item gets added to, you can go ahead and hit auto assign. But if you do care about the specific tag, then we do need to type it in. So my other one is B928, and we select that. Now, once we got that both selected, we have two of our tags that we want to update. You're just going to simply hit the update tag displays. This window will appear. And then again, if you go back to those two tags that we're looking at before, you'll notice that they'll start to get updated. They will start to flicker, and then they would change to the item that we just selected inside this menu. Now that we're back on this menu, if we go up to the top, the middle option is Apply Design to Filter Tags. What it means by filter tags is just talking about the ones where you got searched in here. So once we hit this button to apply the design to our filter tags, we can go ahead and find the specific report. It's typically going to be called digital tags, and then you just find the desired report. Make sure that the size is the same. It'll look kind of funky if we try to apply a 6-inch report onto a 4-inch tag and vice versa, a 4-inch report to a 6-inch tag. So we just want to make sure that's the same. Make sure that you get the report on there and hit the update button. That way they get updated there. You can check this by looking at the column. There's our report name. There are some other options up here too, but they're mainly used in the beginning, like clearing the filter tags. You can clear out all of the SKU data that's in there. We can delete the filter tags if we want to. The uploading key feature is just for us in the beginning to upload the keys that belong to each of the digital tags. Your main three ways to update your tags is to refresh the selected tag displays. That will just update the information. You could be doing those in a bulk. The other option is to assign each individual SKUs to these tags, or have the tags auto-detect another tag to put that report on there. And then finally, we can apply the design to our filter tags that we have currently searched in this menu. Now, at any point, if we cross out of those tags I just searched for, we can go look at the screen size. There's only 3 available, so a little 3-inch tag, a 4-inch tag, and a 6-inch tag. So if we want to apply all of my 4-inch reports to all of my 4-inch tags, we can also do that and search for that. It'll display all of those. Then we simply go up there to apply design to the filter tags and find the 4-inch report. So that's just a little bit about our digital tags in Altea Suite and how to update them in your account. Thank you.